Hi guys, my name is Soumil Nitinsha, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to interface a PIR motion sensor with the help of an Arduino microcontroller. So we are going to learn the basics, how to learn motions, how to interface the motion sensor with the Arduino microcontroller. So let's jump into the coding part itself. So let's have a look at the code. Alright, first of all, what I have here is int PIR pin equals to 12. That means the motion sensor is connected to the D12 pin of the Arduino microcontroller. Then we have int constant int relay pin equals to 13. That means I have connected a relay on digital pin 13. Alright. Then what are these pins for, right? Int red pin, green pin, blue pin. So red means my motion sensor is not yet activated. I mean, it is still getting, it is still in progress, right? Green means it is ready, and blue means it is, some process is going on, right? So that's pretty simple. So then we have the corresponding loop for the corresponding LED, void green, void red, and void blue. So that's pretty simple. I'm not going to explain that part. Then we have the setup function. Setup means it's gonna be initialized only once when the program is running. Serial begin 9600. That's a baud rate with which we are communicating with the device. Then we have pin mode. PIR pin equals to input. Pin mode red is output. So since the LED are output, that means the LED would glow, right? So it's an output device. So we declare that as an output, right? That's pretty simple. Relay is also an output because we are going to connect some load out there. So it's an output device, not an input device. And I have initiated relay as output. You can have a look at it. Then so now we want to initialize a motion sensor. How should I initialize the motion sensor? So we have a command digital write PIR high. So I make the motion sensor high for one time. Then I write a red pin as low. That means red LED is turned off. Serial print line allow human to get out of the way. I mean, during this there should not be any motion. The sensor is calibrating. So a simple message is displayed over here. You can have a look at it. And after that, when the sensor is active, we print serial print line sensor is active. You see, it's very simple, a very basic code. So you can upload this code to the Arduino microcontroller. So how to do that? Open the Arduino microcontroller. After that, we have the void loop. That means the program that is going to be executed more than one time. So we have digital read PIR pin is equal to high. So check if the motion is detected. If yes, that means if it's true, I'm just gonna print I'm gonna print a message that is motion is detected. I'm gonna write the relay pin as high since the motion is triggered. You can have a look at it. Now this part is the loop part. It's very important. Why? Let's have a look at it. So whenever the motion is detected, I want to turn on a particular appliances for say a minute or a 2 minute or 10 minutes or 20 minutes, depending upon what time you have to configure. So this is the loop part. For int I equals to 1, I less than 5, I plus plus. That means this loop is gonna iterate 5 number of times. Delay of 60,000 seconds. 60,000. So that means this loop is going to be executed for 5 minutes. For the first time, when I is equal to 1, then I is equal to 2, 3, I is equal to 4, and I is equal to 5. So this part is for manipulating the delay. So you can manipulate this part in the code itself, and that's it. And now how to upload the code? Go to tools. You select the port where your Arduino is attached, and simply check your code by clicking on this button and simply upload it like this. So it's very simple. Now let me tell you about the interfacing part. How should we interface a relay, right? Relay or motion sensors and stuff, right? So first of all, a motion sensor has 3 pins. All right. Then we have a relay which again has 3 pins. Then we have the Arduino microcontroller. Alright, so the first pin of the motion sensor is a VCC. It goes to the VCC. It's the ground pin. VCC. Relay VCC goes to Arduino VCC. Ground goes to corresponding ground. You can have a look at it, the schematics. this pin right here would go to the motion sensor pin. We have initialized in our code itself. So that would go to the corresponding pin, and this would go to the corresponding D13 pin. D12 pin. I hope the interfacing part is clear, and this is a very basic video which I'm uploading here. You can manipulate the code, you can trigger on appliances, you can write whenever the motion is detected, you can print the message on LCD, you can do a lot of stuff. So I hope I have cleared some basic concepts about the motion sensor. If you like this video, if you find it useful, do give a like, subscribe to me, and list all your questions and in the comment section below. I would definitely try to answer them. Till then, I see you guys next